one of the water supply line is cracked that feeds for making an ice machine and a water dispenser. So water's been kind of slowly leaking out in this kitchen. So the water line has been shut off now, and I am attempt to fix the crack where it's cracked from. So let's get right into that. So the leak for this hose is somewhere along the right here where my index finger is, and it's been slowly leaking out of there, and even starts to spread all over to right there to the floor. And so this was filled up quite a bit for it. So I have a rag right here I've been using to clean up this area for it. So at this point, I have this that I bought from the Home Depot right here, and you can get this, and this is the quarter size of what they call that a union coupling. That you want to look for OD and let's see, OD and ND or something like that. I can't remember what OD stands for. OD is the measurement of the circle thing right here. Can you see the inner circle one and then the outer circle one? So OD is the outer circle one. It's measurement tubing size for it. So this is what this is for. But at this moment, I try not to use this. And what I did is I was trying to salvage with this one by pushing the right. Here's a white ring part right here. That all you got to do is push it in, and this part right here, it just comes right out. But you have to do several attempts because it's not easy for first try. So what I'm hoping is to remove this little line all the way up to the back of a refrigerator to the little adapter right here for it. And I bought the water supply line tube right here. So the best, easy, and guaranteed so it doesn't leak anymore is to cut this thing to the right length by using this and undo this part right here to disconnect and then reconnect is the way I'm going to do it. So why don't we go ahead and do that process now. So in order to start this video, the tools you will need is one of these right here. I forgot to bring a plier for it, so I'll just have to use what I have in my tool bag. And possibly you might need this in case these things right here I'm trying to salvage does not work. So just in case, I do have a backup for this one. And then you're going to need this pipe cutter right here, and you will need this pipe cutter right here to be able to cut this thing straight on this, because you want to be able to cut this thing straight. If you cut it in angles, something like that, then it doesn't do a quite nice little fitting for this particular. So you want to be able to cut it nice and flush by using one of these tools if you have it. If not, if you can use a scissors or something to cut it straight, and if you can do it, then that's great too. And then maybe possibly you might need a needle nose plier, one of these to use this tool to hold on to this right here, so that this, while you're undoing it, this you wouldn't be able to bend it by doing like this to hold on to it. Okay, and then you're gonna need the extension of the polyurethane. This new tubing right here, and found it right there. And let's do some cutting. And using this tool right here, cut. This is what you want, is you want to be able to do a nice straight cutting right here for it. So look at that. Yeah, that's the key secret. Okay, so let's go ahead and insert this one, this nut right here. Let's put this thing, this little, what do you call that? I don't know, insert tubing, whatever. And let's put that inside right here. Is it there? Yeah, okay. Let's put this little insert thing inside the tubing. Okay, all right, look at that. It's all ready to go. Okay, let's do some connection. Go ahead and put a new one we just built and sticking in right here. Okay, and let's go ahead and do some tightening with this one right here. And all you got to do is just stick it inside here and push it in, and it's done. Alright guys, so it's been fully installed from the main water supply line and all the way down to the back of the fridge here, and this is the one new one we installed, and we just replaced all these new ones right here for it. And I just checked it to see, and there's no leakage here, and there's no leakage here, and the water is running through at this moment. And so we just saved this thing. It cost around, I think, $8, somewhere around there at Home Depot. I just got it today. Yeah, so I'm gonna take it back. So why keep it around, right? And just use the existing one. So that works out really, really great. Great. It's another fantastic day for fixing this. And so if I can do it, guys, then you can do it. So thanks for watching my video, and see you next video. Okay, see you later. Bye.